Good day, everyone. How are you today? This is Teacher Mary Carr, and welcome to Camplish.com. Today, we will continue answering the activity from the lesson that we've discussed from our last video in this book, English Reading Basic 5. This will help you to understand more about the passage and to widen your vocabulary. So now, let's begin. We will answer 3 activities today. It is related from the passage about territory. We have here reading comprehension, writing practice, and summarizing practice. So now, let's start on the first activity, which is the reading comprehension. In this part, we will test how you understand the passage. We will find out the best answer after reading the question as well as the choices. Are you ready now? So let's start. Number 1. What size is a territory? A. A territory is often smaller than a small city. B. A territory is often bigger than a small city. And C. A territory is often about the same size as a small city. The answer here is letter B. A territory is often bigger than a small city. How about number 2? Sometimes, what do countries have to gain territory? A festival. B. An election. C. A war. The answer is C. A war. Next, number 3. England and France had territories in North America blank. A. After fighting with Native Americans. B. After fighting with European Americans. C. After fighting with African Americans. The answer here is A. After fighting with Native Americans. And how about number 4? No person or country blank. A. Owns Alaska. B. Owns Arctic. C. Owns Antarctica. The answer is C. Owns Antarctica. Good. So now, let's answer the second activity, which is the writing practice. In this part, we will complete the sentence with the expression from the passage. Here is the question. When does a land become a territory? When a person, an organization, or a nation owns blank. The answer here is a large piece of land. When a person, an organization, or a nation owns a large piece of land. Okay, so let's go now to the last activity, which is the summarizing practice. In this part, we will read and we will complete the summary with the words from the passage. Are you ready now? So let's start. A territory is a blank piece of land owned by a person, an organization, or a country. You can blank a territory with money. and you may fight a blank to have it. Now, let's find out the missing words. Let's start on the first sentence. The missing word is large. How about on the second sentence? The missing word is buy. And on the third sentence, the missing word is war. Okay, so now let's read it again. A territory is a large piece of land owned by a person, an organization, or a country. You can buy a territory with money, and you may fight a war to have it. Good. So I hope that you got all the correct answers here. This is the end of our activity for today. I hope that you enjoy it and you learn a lot. It is fun and exciting to learn English. Again, this is Teacher Mary Carr of Camplish.com. See you in our next video. Goodbye.